We have a Kone KSS 140 lift at the Atlantic Station in Atlanta, Georgia.
Going down.
Let's go to P2. £3,500, 1,588 kilograms or 21 persons.
Parking.
2.
Going up.
2 is locked. I'll go up to ST and end it at P1. Because my mom's waiting for me at P1. Elevator number 1.
Street level.
Here's an inspection certificate. P1.
Going down.
Let's get a cab. View. Nice ceilings.
Parking.
Parking. And that's it. Alright, we have Schindler HT330A lift at Atlantic Station in Atlanta, Georgia. P2. And the door closing. £2,500. Inspection certificate right here, car 11. Let's take a cab view real quick. Let's go to 2. My mom's waiting at P1, so I'm going to end it there. There's these nice ceiling lights. Let's take it to P1. Going down?
Yes, please.
What floor?
Can I go ground?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Take a lot of
Thanks.
pictures.
Thanks. Close this door. And that's it. Alright, we have a Schindler lift at the Atlantic Station at Piedmont Urgent Care. Let's take this to 2. Let's get a cab. View. Nice ceiling. Hello. Let's take this down to 1. No smoking. Says the other door. There's an inspection certificate, car number 44, £2,500. And that's it. Alright, we have another Schindler HT330A lift at the Atlantic Station. Let's take this up to 2. Museum of Illusions. This is identical to the other one on this road. Let's take a cab. View. Hello. Here's your Museum of Illusions. Without the other, I'm not allowed to warn. No spoken, thank you. £2,500 is an inspection certificate. And let's ring the spell. And that's it. Alright, we have a Kone lift, Delta lift at the Atlantic Station. Here's the Suite 200. It's coming down. Here's your floor indicator. 2. Let's take a cab. View. This used to be a Schindler. 1. There's the other side right there. Elevator 43. Hello. Characters at war. And that's it. Alright, we have a Schindler lift at the Regal Cinemas Atlantic Station. Let's take this up to 2. This is a burned out indicator. £2,500 is an inspection certificate. Let's take a cab. View. Let's go to 1. I cannot get out because this is. I cannot trap. Let's close this door. Tell my enthusiasm when my mum filmed this. Music freak and Samuel Elevator fan. And here we are at 1. And that's it.